when you press the wrong button on a decision-based game.
I pressed square. How'd I miss that? It ain't gonna make no difference. You see, I don't want to have to kill your family. But we just gotta do what we gotta do. You see, I'm a very simple man. All I ever wanted was an apple. But you see, I just couldn't get that refrigerator open. Now the world must suffer. I missed one button because fuck it. Now in the next 10 seconds, I've got nuclear bombs going off all over the world. Me included. The world just doesn't deserve to live. No one, and I mean no one, should go through that hardship that I went through trying to open the refrigerator door. It was the door. Any last words? You want to say bye to your family as she's bleeding out? No? Well, it's all been fun, you guys. See you guys in hell.